Hi, Mr. Matters here. We're going to talk about the process of designing or creating a query, okay, and naming a query. All right. Let's say I have a table, and my table has information like this: an employee ID or a customer ID, their name, and what city or what state they live in. Okay. Excuse me. What I'm going to do is to go to the objects area. You see, I have my table, contents of my table, right? Close that window. Go back and open it. You see that it's there. I'm going to close that window, and I'm going to go to queries. Excuse me, you can see I have a bunch of queries here. I'm going to go to query in design view. Double click that. There, it took a minute to come up. And what I have is it says, okay, this is a little different from a wizard, but it gives you a lot more control. I'm going to tell it what table I want to pick from. That's table 1. I'm going to add the table to my query design area. And there it is up here in the upper left. And it has the 3 fields: ID, name, and state. ID is a primary key. I'm going to now close the Show Table window. And then it has the fields that it wants to select in the query. Now remember, a query asks a question of the database, like show me all of the employees or people. You see how I'm clicking on the field, and I click ID, or the next field is name, and the last field is state. But show me all of the people who live in the state of Georgia, for instance. And then I can run the query by pressing the run icon, little exclamation mark, little Snoopy icon it looks like. Click run, and there it is. Okay. I can close this window, and it says save changes to query, and I say sure. And if I want to call it customer query for Georgia, I can just do that and click OK. Call it the name I want, whatever name I want to call it, and then I'm done. Excuse me. Go back and open it, and there's my query. All I got to do is then click on the customer query for Georgia, and it will actually go and show me all the people. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's double check it. 5 people in the state of Georgia. Open it up. There they are. Once you've done that, you can save it. You're closed. We're done. That's it. Thank you very much. This is Copyright Todd Matters 2006.